Hey everyone, good morning. What's going on? We got a busy day on the build number 2. Today it looks like a nice sunny day out in Canada. We're off to Home Depot with my buddy here.
Let's go. We're taking your van?
We'll take this van.
Let me just see if this chick's up. Hi there, buddy. Are you getting up?
Yeah.
Say good morning to the vlog.
Good morning.
There is an unlock switch back there.
Where's that?
It's just by the handle. Trip number 3 at the depot.
Home Depot. I got the new model today, the X50.
Nothing like a couple dad jokes to start off the morning, eh?
You gotta keep it light, buddy.
So this stuff is $2 cheaper. This is like the decorative. See, it's got like the groove in it.
Oh yeah.
And then this is just straight up pieces of pine.
Cottage, eh?
Yeah, if you guys can't tell already, we are working on the tongue and groove. My dad's vision is to complete the walls and the ceiling, get that all done, and then start building out. Also, we're not gonna do the actual floor until afterwards, but we will do the floor before we put in the cupboard. So we're doing it a little bit different than the first van, but he's in charge, so it's his call. How many of these do you think we're gonna need?
It's hard to say.
Another thing we're debating on is cupboards. So my dad didn't like my hacked up attempt at cabinet making, and he's thinking that this might be a better option, is to see what they have pre-made. Obviously this would be a lot easier, but I did explore this option and I found these cupboards to be extremely heavy, and obviously they're square, so we'll have to build some kind of mount for those to grab onto, because the van walls are like this, the ceiling is kind of like that. But obviously if you do buy a pre-made cupboard, it's gonna work really well. So he wants to buy one, assemble it, see what it's like, see how it fits, and then make a decision from there. But Home Depot does sell, like, you can even buy like full-on I bought actually our countertop from here, but you could buy like the entire box structure with the doors and everything and then modify it. So it is an option. We're gonna see what's involved. We're in this aisle and I'm just looking at the prices of these stainless steel sinks. They're like $300, $400, $500. Pro tip, Amazon's where it's at. We'll link up the one that we bought. I think it was like $200 or $300. I think it was $200. Yeah, way better. Thank you. I took the key from Bec and locked the office because I kind of forgot about her.
It locked me out of my own office. You didn't have breakfast this morning yet?
I was waiting for you to make my breakfast, buddy.
What?
Yeah, did you make anything?
I was locked out of the office.
Did you have? You look very sleepy and cute this morning.
Because I haven't washed my face yet, because I like to do it in the office with hot water.
That's very cute.
You know Bob is getting the hang of vlogging when he calls me out from the office and says, "Hey Bec, let's get this for the vlog." Does anybody know what day of the build?
Day 3.
Day 3?
Day 4.
Day 4? No way, it's at least day 5 or 6.
Knotty pine lightweight. We're hoping it works, so we're not 100% sure, but we're gonna give it a whirl.
Has everyone seen how great you look in this hat yet?
I'm not a pro like my son, but I'm told that you're supposed to start in the middle of the van, right, with this type of siding. So what I'm thinking about doing is starting right in the center of that hole. You see the hole there, Bec?
Yeah.
If you could just pass me my drill.
Yeah.
I'll hold this. You can
Oh,
pass
okay,
it
you got
down.
that? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now I need you to hold that.
Okay.
I'm going to try this for the heck of it. Okay, so that went well.
Nice.
Hey?
This is the center line here, so we're gonna have 1, 2. So you'll have 4 boards in the middle, and then we're gonna do the LED lights on the side.
Cool.
The LEDs aren't coming for a while, but we're gonna at least run the holes and get the wires in there. You have to pre-drill them because A, this pine is so thin, and these are quite a bit thicker, so it's a risk. You might be able to get away with it, but pre-drilling it, you won't crack the wood. So you just want a little hole in there, and then this is what's gonna hold the board up. This wood is definitely what you buy next time.
Oh, for sure.
Way thinner. You're gonna save on, like, even look, I've got the floor on and I've still got room
Yeah.
Bun.
for my barn.
Bec too. Bec's bun's okay
Bec's
too.
bun.
This is a bun safe van.
Guaranteed. Bunnable.
That looks great, man.
It looks
All right,
so good.
Should we sit down for 45 minutes and admire? or
Just have
keep
a
going?
little, and then this is, you've already cut out these holes we just showed them for the LED lights.
So we just need to pre-drill.
You hold them. I'm gonna bore your little guy in here.
Yeah.
Probably not gonna put that back there.
What are you guys doing over there?
You got it in a special spot? So we keep the drill bit.
Let's switch it up. Let's go.
Nice.
Let's get the boys at a really frustrated moment to explain to them what's going on, film it, but then forget to record it. So now we'll do it again.
Yes, exactly.
Huge oversight with the second vent. We've never put a second vent in our van. So we have that vent perfectly spaced in between the LEDs. It looks amazing. Obviously we didn't think about that with this. The LEDs are way too tight here and we pucked up big time.
However,
Puck with a P.
there's a silver lining here because the LEDs are white, so when we cut that out, they'll be white, and you won't even notice it.
Actually, they're not white, Dad. They're silver.
Oh, well, what can you do?
But there is a silver lining because we can just use the same hole saw and cut a perfect hole there, and we've mistaken our mistake, and no more pucked up.
And we're gonna puck it out.
It was way funnier the first
puck
time.
the thing out.
Yeah.
We tried to recreate it exactly as it was said the first time. I pucked it up.
Okay, so we're-
Sorry, guys.
Move the wire.
No, don't puck with me.
No, you're gonna cut the wire.
I have to do it this way, dude. Just let me try it. I haven't even tried it yet.
Take the wire out of there. That's all. Put the wire up here somewhere. Oh, there goes the wiring. That's gonna be a major puck up. The wire.
No. Just hold on. Just give me a second here, bud.
Oh, trace it out. Okay, I thought you were gonna turn the machine on.
So did I. That would have been a puck up.
I was gonna turn the machine on.
Well, I was just thinking that 60,000 followers won't make the same mistake as Eamon and I did.
There you go.
There you go. There's the
You got a real positive spin on things today, Bob. Let's see. The boys were able to fix this up. Boom!
Yeah,
That looks alright.
it's not the end of the world.
Definitely not the end of the world.
We are Tommy cruising along. You got an 84.5 for me?
right here. 84 and a half.
Beautiful, thank you, sir. Look how nice that's lining up, guys. We've just got it tucked underneath the headliner. It's, I have to admit, very, very premium.
I've been asked several times now, did Eamon get to keep the nail gun? The answer is...
Maybe. Hooking up the fan. So, within all this yellow cable I showed you, it actually splits into one white, one black, and one ground. So for DC purposes, we don't need the ground, so I can ditch that. We're just gonna play with the black and white, and it's straight up. You're just gonna splice this. So I'm gonna take this guy, cut him back, cut off the, you need one of these. This is called a splicer, Dad? Is that what it's called? And do the same here, 12 gauge, boom. Twist that back, pull this back. So now you're exposing the wires. You're gonna do the same for this one. I think Bob's looking at me like, why did you start a new project right now? Is that true, Bob?
Well, you know, in the trades, when the carpenter has got the day to do his work, and then an electrician shows up, they really get angry and pissed off.
Yeah. Especially when they're on like 50, 60, 70 bucks an hour, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let's go this way.
Because the little blue thing he's got, what's that called, Eamon?
This is called a cap.
Well, it's not called a cap, but yeah.
Okay, and then that goes on, nice and tight.
Really tight.
Really tight. And these things are great. These are like one size fits most. Boom. And then right there, you've connected the circuit. You even have like a bit of an air gap. Now we decided not to put any Reflectix or water barrier after talking to the installation guy. He reassured us that it is no necesito para mí, which means not necessary for me. So that's what we're rolling with. Super happy with this tongue and groove. Definitely recommend it. Even our little microphone's getting a little sawdust on top. Sorry guys.
Wow, this double vent, woo,
It's key, right?
so nice.
You smell that, Bob? A little bit of jealousy in the air, right?
Yep. Basically, we're so excited to test out this fan. There's a remote control for Bob's fan. So you know we're gonna get a battery going and test it out.
Watch.
The black is hot.
Wow!
Automatically closes.
Do you have it? Oh my god!
I got this, buddy. I got this. Look. Here, you do the honor, sir.
Yeah, you
Oh wow! Oh, look at this.
It's even got a little stand, so you can put it in your.
Oh wow!
did.
That's too much.
Wow!
Fan on.
Fan on where?
Right here, right here.
Oh no, we gotta open it up first. Vent open. Where do you get vent open? Right here. Did that fall off or anything yet?
We're gonna have to check back with you in a minute.
Wind blown.
You don't gotta crack yours open.
Cheers. Oh, no cheersing?
Cheers to a great day.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Great
guys.
day.
Cheers, guys.
That will bring us to the end of the video today. It's probably around 7 o'clock. We put a full day in, but we're pretty stoked on the result. The ceiling looks amazing. The fans are installed. What's on tap tomorrow?
One wall,
At least one wall,
maybe two walls.
maybe even 2 walls.
We can do 2 walls.
Easily.
right,
I
2
feel like
walls.
walls are so much easier than the ceiling. I feel like
that-
we gotta get a little aggressive here.
Let's make it 2 walls.
2 walls in a cabinet.
2 walls in the cabinet. Make sure if you like the video,
You like it?
where is it, up or down?
It's below us, but it's a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe if you like it.
Mm-mm.
No?
Subscribe regardless.
Oh, regardless.
Yeah, because even if you didn't like today's video, you might like tomorrow's.
True.
So you gotta stay up to date. Anyway, have a great night. We will see you again. Mañana. I need one of those end screens.
Okay.
So, can you do it via freestyle rap?
Freestyle rap.
Yeah.
You gonna drop a beat?
No.
Here's what's going down tomorrow. Don't you worry, you won't feel no sorrow. It'll be a vlog. There'll be lots of Bob, and maybe you'll get a second of Bec. Boom. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Say way yo, way yo.
I'm happy to be the third wheel. I'm happy to be the third wheel.
We got real weather situations to deal with. This is Canada, it's classic Canada. Yeah, so we're still trying to figure out the layout. I'm not telling you what to say.
Okay, then get out of my shard here.
Jeez.